In this session, we'll show you how to handle transfer orders using the Mobile WMS solution for Dynamics AX. The case in this session deals with a process that can be used by many companies with more than one warehouse location. We'll show you how Mobile WMS for AX can be used to register items in the warehouse after being transferred from another warehouse in the same company via a transfer order. The transfer order process consists of the following steps performed by a warehouse manager and a warehouse worker. And that is, prepare pick in AX, pick in Mobile WMS, verify pick in AX, prepare receive in AX, receive in Mobile WMS, and verify process in AX. But first, let's have a look at the order. The warehouse manager have created a transfer order from warehouse 22 to warehouse 23 with the items Rockwool and Drywall 90. And if we look at inventory transactions for Rockwool, we can see that this item is on order for warehouse 22 and ordered for warehouse 23. And the same goes for Drywall 90. Before you start using the Mobile WMS solution in your warehouse, you have to check the parameters in the mobile solution. So go to Parameters under Setup. This is the tab with the general parameters. For warehouse 22, I need to be able to show transfer orders on the mobile device when picking. To do this, I'll override the default values and click the checkmark button to show transfer orders on the mobile device for this warehouse when picking. And this step is a one-time only procedure. Now the warehouse worker is ready to begin working on the transfer order in the warehouse, beginning with the picking process. We'll go to the mobile device and choose the pick function, and we must choose the warehouse where we're picking from, and that's number 22, and I press apply. Now you can see the transfer orders on the mobile device. You can see it's from warehouse 22 to warehouse 23, just as in the AX client. I'll press the order, and now you can see the order lines. I still have the information about the transfer order at the top of the screen on my device. I'll select the item number by scanning the item, and then I'll scan the location where I took the item from. I'll confirm the quantity of 15, and then this line is complete. I'll scan the next item, scan the location, scan the lot number, and accept the quantity. The app asks me if I'll post the order. I'll press yes, and now the order disappears. To verify the pick in AX, the warehouse manager could now update the screen in the AX client and see that the transfer status has changed to shipped. If we go to inventory and transactions, we can see that the items are on the transit warehouse, in this case number 19, and the same for the other item. So the warehouse worker has now loaded the items in the company delivery vehicle and will now drive to the receiving warehouse. For the receiving warehouse, we'll also have to check the parameters, and again here, the warehouse manager will have to override default values, so we will be able to show transfer orders on the mobile device when receiving. And again, this is a one-time only procedure. When the warehouse worker has arrived at the receiving warehouse, he'll unload the items and select the receive functionality and select warehouse 23. And now you can see that the receive order is on the list. I'll select it, and you can see the items that we have picked earlier. I'll now scan the Rockwool item, but here, at warehouse 23, the warehouse worker can see that there is no more room for the items at the expected location. With Mobile WMS, you have the options to change the location and enter a new location barcode manually. A warning will show up, but we'll use this location. We'll scan the lot number and accept the quantity. So in this case, you are able to change the location, but this can be set up so the warehouse worker will not be able to change the location. So I'll then scan Drywall 90, scan the location, accept the quantity and post the order. And then the order disappears from the list. The warehouse worker has now completed the tasks related to this transfer order. Then the warehouse manager can check if the order is complete. We'll go to the AX client, click on Inventory Management, Transfer Orders, and you can see that the status has changed to Received. And then we can take a look at the transactions for Rockwool. And you can see here that it's registered as sold for Warehouse 22 and purchased for Warehouse 23. And the same goes for Drywall 90. So that was how you can handle transfer orders using the Mobile WMS solution for Dynamics AX.